How to turn off auto adjust quality on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto adjust quality on Spotify. Fast and easy. First go to Spotify and then click here, and now you need to find where is it, this one, in this category, auto quality, audio quality. And now you need to click here to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it. And as you see, that's how turn off auto adjust quality on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.